What is Clickfunnels? I'm going to explain to you exactly what Clickfunnels is in this video. Now, we're actually going to go through a little demonstration on my handy dandy computer here, and I'm going to show you how you can build a funnel and use Clickfunnels effectively to create an online business. Clickfunnels. What is Clickfunnels? Clickfunnels is a WYSIWYG site builder. Okay, what does that mean to you? That's actually the category of what it would be called. WYSIWYG is an acronym. What you see is what you get. What you see is what you get. And that means you can build websites with it, site builders, so that you don't have to be technical. You don't have to know a line of programming. You don't have to know any languages, HTML, CSS, PHP, JS, Swift, whatever. You don't need to know any of those other languages. And you can literally just design sites based on what you see, which is great. And it's a very valuable tool. It's one I use almost every single day in my business. My business runs off of Clickfunnels. I was actually just a few days ago at the Funnel Hacking Conference with Russell Brunson, the founder of it. And I use Clickfunnels, and so do 75,000 other entrepreneurs are using Clickfunnels to build and host their websites. Great tool. So let me give you an idea of how Clickfunnels works. So the way it works is you design what are called funnels. And what a funnel is a funnel is basically a sales message or a marketing message. So I'll design a funnel right here. So let's say I want to help people lose weight. My ultimate goal is to sell a weight loss product. I want people to buy this ebook I have on how to lose weight. Let's call it the Crestani diet, okay? And I have a book about why the Crestani diet is so good. So I have a book, okay, and we'll call this the offer. And this is the Crestani diet. And it's $19 for the Crestani diet. Now, to get people to buy the Crestani diet, I can't simply go to Facebook and say, hey, I have this book for $19, you want to buy it? Because people need to be convinced why the Crestani diet is so good in the first place. Just saying a book, Crestani diet, it doesn't sell itself. Nothing sells itself. There was never an instance where a man walks into a bar and suddenly 10 women were asking him to go on a date. Unless you're Brad Pitt, that doesn't happen, okay? But you have to sell yourself almost in any case. So in order to sell this Crestani diet, I'm gonna start with a bribe, okay? I'm gonna start with, let's call it an opt-in page. And I'm gonna write something along the lines of, enter your email and find out the 7 foods that are most often genetically modified and why they're making you fat. Okay, so it's something like this, you know, we're having them enter their email and 7 foods because people want to get the free report on the 7 foods that are genetically modified most often and why those make you fat. After people enter their email, we might send them to a page that says, that is a video message that says how you can fix your diet, okay? And this is our VSL. Then we'll give them a video, we'll say, here are the 7 foods and here's how to identify them and here's how to eat better. And after people learn about those 7 foods that make them fat, then we'll say the way to eat better is the Crestani diet. And we have a $20 book which will show you everything about how to look your best, right? We had a hook, we had them enter their email, we deliver on the hook, we tell them the 7 foods that are making them fat, and then we tell them how to get skinny for $20, okay? So that would be a funnel. Let's go on Clickfunnels and actually design it. Let's put it into action and I'll show you how to actually use it. So here we are on Clickfunnels, and Clickfunnels, it's an online software. It's run by this guy, Russell Brunson, and this is one of his partners. So these 2 guys run Clickfunnels, and as you see, Clickfunnels gives you everything you need to market, sell, and deliver your products and services online. It's a great program. Now you can get started with a 14-day free trial there should be a link in the description if you want to get started building your own Clickfunnels. So look in the description of my YouTube video and I'll link you to this page to get started on a free trial to see what it's about. Keep watching because I'm going to show you how to use it in this video. So what it helps you do is, you know, it talks, generate leads, sell products, run a webinar, all the online marketing stuff. It's basically marketing without having to know any technical skills. Let's get off of this. Now, when we go inside ClickFunnels, the way ClickFunnels actually works, after 14 days, it's $97 a month. If you're running a business, it's basically the foundation of what you'll need to run an online business. But let's actually start. Now, to start using ClickFunnels, when you log in, they have all these advertisements. They call their tribe funnel hackers, one funnel away challenge, etc. But we'll go up here where it says ClickFunnels and where it says funnels. This is the main area. And what we'll do, we will go, as you see, I'm on the more expensive plan. This is their top plan. It's $300 a month. If we want to get started, we'll click Add New Funnel. So as you see, I have a lot of funnels in here, but we'll create a new one. So I'm just going to say, I'm going to click this side on the right because you don't have to pay any money. You know, they'll try to like sell you funnels here, but you can just click Create New Funnel. We're going to collect an email first. So see, you could say sell your product, host a webinar. We're just going to say collect emails. We'll say demo, diet, email opt-in. Okay, so I named it. I click build funnel. So here we go, and we can select a couple different templates here. You see there's a bunch of different templates. And let's say, I don't know, this one looks pretty good. Mother funnel squeeze page. So let's click select template right there. So see, it's creating our page. And what we will do is we will click this button, which says edit page, and to start editing it. So I clicked edit, and here we go. So now the way ClickFunnels works is you just click on something and you edit it. I'll say discover the 7 genetically modified foods you're eating that make you fat and how you can avoid them. Great. And it says grab my free report, and it will just enter. See, we just click on it. All we're doing is clicking on it, and I'm just going to edit the text. See, it's just like using a word processor. So I'm just going to click here. I'm going to click delete, and I'm going to say enter your email to get the free report immediately. Okay, send it to me now. We can delete these other sections. See, we can just highlight over them. And see, they kind of highlight them in green. And what we're going to do is we're going to click that little trash can icon. We're going to click delete. We're going to click delete. And we're going to click delete. And it says, in this video, you are going to discover amazing weight loss secrets hidden until now. And we're going to say, you know, in this video, you're going to discover what foods are genetically modified, how to identify them, and how to avoid them. Now we have our page, and we're just going to click save right there. Click save, and boom, we have the first page of our funnel. Pretty cool, right? Okay, let's go on next. So I'm going to click exit right there. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I want to go into a video sales letter type page because we need to sell people on why they need to, we need to deliver on our promise and show them how we actually help them lose weight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this, and I'm going to click this X icon right there because I'm going to get rid of this thank you page. Delete. Then I'm going to click add new step right here. You see that? Add new step. Then I'm going to say VSL because it's a video. VSL stands for video sales letter. And then I'm going to come up here and see they have different sections for the funnels, if you see where my mouse is. So they have all these different sections. Now what I'm interested is in sales right there. So I'm going to click sales, and it says sales page. So I'm going to select sales page right there, and we're going to select a template with a VSL. So it just says VSL traditional. I'm going to say select template, and boom. Then I have a VSL. And then I would write in that VSL, I'm not going to go to the extent of shooting a video and all that stuff, add a new step, and then I'll name this the order form. And this will be where they can actually buy my product. That's the order form where they can buy my ebook that I've sold them in that VSL, that video message. So it says submitting, and we'll wait for it. And here's where I'll get into an actual order form. So we can see opt-in sales, and we see order form. See right under sales, there's an order form type page. And we'll click that, and now it will show us order form templates. Let's select this template, Mother Funnel Webinar. Okay, select, it's building our funnel. And let's see this. Now we have a page which we could change. And again, to change that page, all we have to do is click Edit Page, and we have to select the text that we want to edit, and we have to change it around, and we can change the price to $19 and all that jazz. Now, once we've actually created our funnel, selling whatever imaginary product we're doing or with whatever purposes, collecting emails so we can market to people, the next step after that is we have to integrate it. So in this case, we're collecting people's emails. So this is where it gets a little bit complicated. I personally, in my business, I advocate people don't collect emails. I tell people to do affiliate marketing and don't worry about collecting emails, because it starts getting a little bit more complicated when you have to integrate all these different things. I recommend people use Clickfunnels, but don't mess with any of the integrations. If you subscribe to my channel, you'll get the free course on affiliate marketing on my channel page. Now, to integrate it, I'm just going to show you real quickly. Integrating things, you'd go back to Edit Page, and what you would do, you'd go to Settings and you'd go to Integrations right here. And this is where you would handle the integrations with your email. So you'd click Integrations, and then you would select whatever autoresponder it is you're using. Now, you might have to write into support, you might have to write into things to actually figure out how to integrate it. That'll be in their help. That's beyond the scope of this video, and you can go into the Clickfunnels help desk to learn how to do this. But basically, you would link up one of your programs, whether it's MailChimp or Aweber or whatever, that handles your email, and then you'd integrate it. Just like, add to list and, John Crestani or whatever. Select a couple things like that. It's not too complicated, but again, I'm not going to go into the specifics of how you do integrations. That information is on Clickfunnels. Now, after you build your Clickfunnels, you would exit, and all you would have to do is simply, you have your URL, and you would take your URL and share it with people so that they could go visit the site as well. So what I'll do is I'll just click copy, and I could share that URL with anybody on the internet. And as you'll see, it'll load up and it will show my website, Discover the 7 Genetically Modified Foods You're Eating That Make You Fat and How You Can Avoid Them. And I can use that to get people on my email list, to sell my ebook, to do whatever I want, very simply. It's not complicated. And what's amazing is that we all have this power. This is a 24/7 living, breathing salesperson for you. That's what a website is. It's a 24/7 living, breathing salesperson that can sell anything you want. And you have the power to do this. You have a 14-day free trial. Again, there's a link in the description. This is the best time in history to start a business. You don't have to be behind the wheels. You can start a business so easily selling products. This is what I do. This is what I do every day. And my websites just sell products for me while I kind of, mess around and, think I'm a cool soccer player and mess up my knee or try to be a funny dad. Boom, mindgasm. I hope you learned how to use Clickfunnels and what it is. That was a long explanation, but I hope that gives you an overview of how you can use Clickfunnels in your business. I really encourage you, sign up for the free trial, get started. If you're using anything else to run or host a website, get Clickfunnels. If you don't have a website to sell products, probably, a good idea for most things you want to do to have a website. Still get Clickfunnels. It's great. I use it every day. It's got an amazing community, amazing support, and I hope you enjoy this explanation. Now, if you want my free course on affiliate marketing, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell. That is essential so you can be updated about whenever I release new videos. Please, if you learned something from this video, put it in the comments what you learned from this video or what you'd like to see me talk about next. I want to help you in business and I want to help you get there, and just give me a like because that's freaking awesome.